Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone opens a camera style zoom screen unexpectedly or you no longer need the accessibility zoom tool, Magnifier is turned on. In iPhone settings 2026 you can disable Magnifier completely in a few seconds or a few quick steps. In this guide I will show you step by step how to turn off Magnifier on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, go to settings. So this is where accessibility features are managed. Okay, so now go to accessibility. So scroll down and tap accessibility. Magnifier lives inside this section. So I want you to tap magnifier or zoom. Okay, so this one. So toggle magnifier to off. So it should be it should have been on before you turn it off. So magnifier is now fully disabled. Okay, so once off, magnifier app won't open. Camera zoom overlay disappears. No accidental activation. Accessibility shortcut stops launching it. Okay, so no restart required. So if magnifier opened by triple clicking the side the side or home button, go to settings, accessibility shortcuts, and uncheck magnifier. So this prevents accidental triggers. Okay, if magnifier appears in control center, go to settings, go to control center and remove magnifier. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.